What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another price update, price prediction on this crypto called Shping. So I've already done a couple of updates, price prediction on this crypto, and I did warn you guys, do expect a slight dip to take place, which has been happening before. I wouldn't say a price bump or a bull run, but quite of an increase, which is currently happening at the moment. As you can see on the screen right now, it has gone up just about 17% in the last 24 hours, making it 0.02598. So a lot of people have been requesting me to do an update on this crypto. They don't know whether to buy more of it. Should they wait for a dip? Should they sell it right now because they're on a profit, or should they just keep holding on to it, and so on and so on. So that is exactly what I'm going to be going through today. My prediction on this crypto over the next couple of days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022. What potential does this crypto have? Can it give you a decent amount of return? And how high or how low can it go, and stuff like that. But before I get into the price prediction and all of that stuff, I just want to let you guys know this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So yes, it is one of the top gainer in the last 24 hours, as you can see, and the market is up just under 1% in the last 24 hours. So over the last day itself, the last 24 hours, it managed to gain 16.56%. As you can see, it was fluctuating around the lower 2 cents, and then right now it has fluctuated a little bit higher. Over the week, it has only managed to gain 1%. Only reason is it has been consistently dipping in value for the past couple of days, or most of the week it was dipping, until right now where it's gone through a major bull run, not a bull run, but a major price increase. And over the month, it is a massive 34% down, guys. So yes, we can see a dipping down, and then a huge peak here that took place on January the 29th, hitting all the way up to 6 cents, and drop back down straight away and keeps dipping in value right now. So here we got the market cap of $45.1 million. The volume in the last 24 hours is $2.4 million. And we've got the trading activity of a 56% buy, meaning a lot of people are still buying this crypto, holding on to it, stacking it up for the long run, because as you can see, even though it is dipping, more and more people are buying it. And we've got a 44% sell, and that's probably the short-term traders who are literally buying and selling. So yeah, we got a 44% sell, which is minority of the people. And we've got the trading volume has increased by 68% in the last 24 hours, meaning more and more people are investing into the crypto. Not only investing, but also selling, and overall just trading the crypto, because it's getting a lot more attention, a lot more hype. It is the top gainer in the last 24 hours, so you're going to see a lot more people researching into it and finding out what this crypto is all about, the project, so on and so on. So before I give you guys my prediction and my take on this crypto, I would like to find out what your expectations and your predictions are on Shping. So comment them down below. We can see here that the highest that it's ever been to was 0.07533, and this was on 19th of January last month. So just about a month ago, it hit a new all-time high before it decided to drop all the way down to about 2 cents, which is currently worth right now. So can it hit a new all-time high, and if so, what price target can it hit? 10 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents, whatever your predictions are, comment them down below. Bearing in mind we've got a solid 10 months left for the end of the year, so within that time frame, what can potentially happen? Comment down below. I'm very keen to find out how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And without further ado, let's get straight into the prediction and see what Shping has got planned for 2022. So at the bottom here, we've got the MACD indicator, which is what I'm going to be using to do the price prediction. And at the top here, we've got the usual candlestick pattern chart showing us how it's been performing. And yes, guys, we do have an SMA indicator running across the chart, which is the purple line, which is valuing Shping at 0.02803, but it is currently trading at 0.02657, which is lower than the average, meaning it is underperforming. It is not performing too well, and obviously we all know why. Is because of the major drops that's been taking place over the last couple of days and weeks as well. So I'm going to zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. So zooming in here, it's been up and down, guys. This was earlier today. We can see it going up in value, had a little drop back down, and right now going back up in value. So over the coming hours, we should expect a slight increase in value on Shping. Again, nothing major. It's not like it's going to go for a huge bull run or a huge price bump or anything like that, but minimal peaks in value are expected over the coming hours. Again, You are going to experience dips, you're going to experience red candles as well as green candles, but the overall outcome seems to be slightly be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So hopefully we should see it hitting about 0.028 towards the end of the day, or even just a little bit higher than that, heading towards the 3 cents mark towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. But again, bear in mind there will be dips in between as well. Now moving on to the hourly chart. Next couple of days, what can we expect? Now we are looking very bullish. We've got the blue line and the orange line going in a bullish direction, looking quite positive, meaning increases in value are expected over the coming days. So midweek to end of this week, we should expect it to go way past the 3 cents mark. However, that's what this graph is telling us. But personally, guys, I am expecting this crypto to take a slight breather, meaning it would, drop back down in value towards, let's say, in about 2 to 3 days, which you see it coming back down towards the 2 cents target, somewhere around here, and then probably it decreases value from there on towards the end of the week. So increases for this crypto is only today and over the coming hours, but we should expect it to drop back down over the coming days. Moving on to the big boy, the daily chart. What can we see here? Now we've got quite of a mixed signal. We've got the orange line looking bearish, going towards a negative direction. However, the blue line is slightly heading towards a bullish direction, and the only reason why it's showing that is because of this huge green candlesticks that's taken place earlier today, and the graph has changed its mind. As you can see, it was consistently going in a bearish direction, and right now suddenly has changed towards the bullish direction, which is not too accurate, and that is why I'm expecting more drops in value on Shping over the coming weeks. So let's say mid-March to late March, we should expect it to go way below the 2 cents mark and heading towards the 1 cent target, towards mid-March to late March. However, bearing in mind that these are my predictions as of right now, this may change according to any new updates, new news that come across that could have a potential effect on not only Shping but the whole crypto market. So I'm going to try and keep you guys updated on a regular basis on this crypto. You guys have requested me to do this once a week, but again, if you guys have any different preferences, like once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week, or whatever it may be, comment down below and I'll try and upload according to your comments. But yeah, these are my predictions and my takes on this crypto, guys. So this pump or this price increase is only temporary. I'm not expecting it to carry on over the next couple of days. It will come back down and start to drop back down, just like what's happened before. We've seen peaks here, but then drops back down, peaks, drops back down, peaks, drops back down, and this is just another one of them. Is peaking, but is gonna drop back down over the coming days and weeks as well. Yes, we may see some price increases here and there in between, but overall it is likely to go around this target here, 0.01, over the coming weeks. But yeah, these are my predictions and my takes on this crypto, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope this helped you guys on your predictions. But again, these are my predictions and my takes on this crypto. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I'm not going to keep you guys here for any longer. I just want to say a massive shout out and a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form. A huge shout out and a thank you to all of you guys, and especially those of you guys who have been subscribing, the old subscribers and the new subscribers. I can't thank you guys enough. A massive shout out, and I appreciate each and every single subscribers out there. Keep supporting the channel and I'll keep giving back, and that is the motive on this channel. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here and I'll catch you in my next crypto update, which should be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.